Building a mechanical keyboard doesn't have to be so hard. You just need to put a little bit of work in there and you have this. So right now I am working on my Akko ACR64. What I did with the PCB here is and I cut a PE foam right there. I put this thing on. And now I'm gonna use some switches just to keep the plate with the PCB together. Okay, yep. So this is an MMD Princess Tactile. These guys, this is Akko Jelly Purple. Okay, so I think I'm gonna change my mind a little bit. So since this is an Akko keyboard, so I'm gonna use their tactile switches, and so I'm gonna have this keyboard build mixing Jelly Purple with these, the regular cream blue. Now let's put some of the keycaps on. Wow. Well, this actually feels really nice. I like the feel of Jelly Purple more than the cream blue, because the Jelly Purple I have them looped more carefully than the cream blue. Because of that, I am going to have these Jelly Purples for my stab, and also the arrow keys. Right. Yeah. And now I'm gonna fill the rest of them with Akko Cream Blue. One of them feels scratchy and just change them. So, okay, all of them very good. Now we're gonna put them in the case again and then just put on the keycaps. Okay, so the Akko ACR is come with these pieces of acrylic like this, so you put them in layers. And you put the PCB right here, like so. Then this thin layer, put it on for gasket mount. So with this type of design, you don't actually have places to put your foam in. Yep, now we're gonna turn it around. Hold them carefully, and we're gonna screw them in. Make sure all of the layers are aligned. And there, we already finished the case, and now just need to throw some keycaps on it. Okay, so there's a problem while I'm building this keyboard. So I did not expect the Jelly Purple will be so wobble, and it's making the stab really bad. So I replaced the stab with Jelly Purple, using all of them are cream blue, so that the stab will less ticking. So, and the rest are still the same. The alpha are the Jelly Purple, the stab are the cream blue, and the rest also cream blue.